From Divine Angel of the Light, Blue Rose Oracles. The beautiful, soft, heart-activating Venusian waves are flowing around the planet as sublime morphogenic fluctuations of light and sound that affect the baseline of the planetary heart field are expanding the inner chambers of Gaia's own heart temple. As she sings these new frequencies into the song lines, creating vibratory dimensional gateways through which the creation codes can anchor, building wave upon wave of oscillation and vibration, forming new holographic layers and morphogenetic fields of light and sound. The Venusian temples of light are reactivating, creating the original grid templates, which are formed within the filaments of plasma light waves that are holding the etheric concentric grids in place around the initial grid imprints, which form the most recent holographic layer of our collective incarnational cycle. As the five-pointed star rises again to take her place within the celestial spheres, returning home to the heart temple of the sun, the planetary quantum field is slowly flowing into a new cosmic rhythm. As outwards flowing spirals of golden light reflect the imprint of the sun, the celestial realms are forming new spheres which hold the seed grid blueprint of creation, through which the next chapter of the planetary holographic blueprint is expanding, crowning and emerging ready to birth and anchor after the deep clearing of old sedimentary layers of illusion are unearthed and cleansed from the old grid matrices during the upcoming eclipse. The Venusian etheric crystalline temples, Stargates, are also being reactivated at Uluru, Sedona, Tibet, Mount Shasta, Avalon, Giza, Mount Sinai, South Africa, and several other places where the Venusian grid lines intersect, forming the holographic sphere and container for Venusian blue petalled grid and its original blueprint. These stargates and temples of light have deep resonance with giant crystal caverns beneath the surface of the planet, and the oceanic crystals are emitting a hum vibrational layer that is now being sung by the whales and dolphins, grid and wisdom keepers, who are infusing the waters with new fractal codes and keys that are changing the structure of the water as each droplet mirrors and reflects the next layer of the source creation grid being anchored. The waters of the planet reflecting the cosmic tides and embryonic womb of the universe, the flow of consciousness, the eternal dream time expanding, ebbing and flowing as new realms emerge, forming new threads which are spun upon the cosmic loom by the star grandmothers who birth fractal patterns and pathways direct from the heart of Source into the eternal waters, sowing visions into the morphogenic fields, which are dreamed into this physical realm through vision, song, words, light, movement, and harmony. We are floating, forming, birthing, and visioning from the heart as we all weave this next layer of our collective holographic universal experience into being. We are each nodal points of light anchoring and forming new pathways and lattices that are creating the opportunity for the Venusian crystalline light grid to energetically form within the physical realm as Gaia holds space within her heart temple for new vibrational sound waves to accompany and guide this expansion and quantum shift into a new holographic blueprint as we move as one collective voice into a deeper level of remembrance and reawakening. Take only what resonates, use your discernment, and follow your own intuition.